This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Google Pay with credentials ready. First, unlock the device and sign into the same Google account used for payments. This prevents lockouts. Once done, open Google Pay and go straight to your profile picture. Then Settings, you need the app's security options. Make sure any biometric prompts are acknowledged so the app recognizes you. If an update prompt appears, install it to avoid permission errors. Then proceed to Security or Privacy Controls to change the app lock behavior. Now you'll modify the app-level lock. In Google Pay settings, locate Security or App Lock and authenticate with your device PIN or account password. This proves ownership. Once accepted, select Remove App Lock or Set Lock to None. If the option is grayed out, sign out of Google Pay first, then uninstall and reinstall. That clears locally stored lock state while preserving account data in the cloud. After reinstalling, sign back in and set a new lock or skip creating one. This completes the reset. Finish by signing back into Google Pay and testing a non-critical action, like viewing payment methods, to confirm the password prompt is gone. If the app still asks for the old password, reboot the device and allow Play services to sync. Sometimes cached credentials linger. Make sure Google Pay has required permissions and that your Google account is verified. If you face account recovery or payment holds, contact Google support. Do not attempt workarounds that could violate account security or payment protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.